Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 3 over 4 sine t. Because if we put this one go in here, you will got about 9 over 16 sine t square. Number 16 with number 16 we can simplify. Number 9 with number 9 we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square. After doing factorization we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root, and later that we simplify by ds. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 3 over 4 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here, and this one go in here. ds we change for this one. So this one we change for 9 over 16 sine t square. We simplify number 16. Number 16 you got about number 9 in here. Number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. And this one in here you got about cosine t square. The square root of number 9 cosine t square you got about 3 cosine t. So we simplify 3 over 4 cosine t in here and here. So I will put number 3 outside. This one is about cosecant of t dt. The integration of cosecant of t, you will go about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c, about t in here. We need to return back to this one. So we divide both sides by 3 over 4. So you got about 4s over 3 equals to sine t. And we got about t equals to arc sine of 4s over 3. So we need to replace t by this one in here. And this is the final answer.